Hello everyone. So in this video I will discuss about the HDCT metering where a combined set CTPT unit is used. So we will be just talking about the two type of system voltages that we use in our distribution network, that is the 11 kV and 33 kV system voltage. So for in this distribution network, or the consumer that is an HD consumer that takes voltage at this level, when it comes to metering we are using two types of PT unit, CTPT unit that we call. The first, in the conventional type, or most of the time, in the past we have been using this three-phase, three-wire CTPT unit. And in this video I will just be discussing, because there are two types of CTPT unit. One is a three-phase, three-wire, and the other is a three-phase, four-wire. And same thing for meter also, we have the three-phase, three-wire and a three-phase, four-wire, and these two will be used together. When it comes to the combined set, then accordingly there will be meter associated with this meter. And how do we actually know which meter to choose when we are installing a particular CTPT unit? For example, if your CTPT unit, for example an 11 kV CTPT unit, then if in case we are using this three-phase, three-wire, that is we are using 5 bushing CTPT unit, that is we are using only CTs, two sets of CTs, that is an R and a B phase, then in that case it becomes a three-phase, three-wire CTPT unit. Then the meter that we can use is only a three-phase, three-wire. We cannot use a three-phase, four-wire meter if your unit is three-phase, three-wire. It has to match, right? But if in case your combined set or your CTPT unit is three-phase, four-wire, in that case you can either use a three-phase, three-wire, by shorting the Y-phase CTs. You can short, that will you will get only it will act as a three-phase, three-wire. That is a three-phase, four-wire combined set. When Y-phase CTs, Y-phase secondary CTs are shorted, it behaves like a three-phase, three-wire CPT unit, where when you draw this to the three-phase, three-wire meter, then in that case you don't need a neutral. You just have to take all the phases A, B, C, and then current only from R and B phase. All right. And if your CTPT unit is three-phase, four-wire, then you can simply use a three-phase, four as normal. That is what this is, the table that tells you what to choose. So the only restriction here is that if your CTPT, you have to first choose the CTPT unit. If your CTPT unit is a three-phase, three-wire, then you can use three-phase, three-wire only. You cannot use three-phase, four-wire. Okay, so that is the only the only restriction. Otherwise, if you have a three-phase, four-wire, then you can use three-phase, four-wire as normally as it is. This is what HDCT metering, just like the one you see in the picture, right? See, this is an example of three-phase, four-wire combined set, and where you're using this three-phase, four-wire meter and a three-phase, four-wire combined set, and you're using three-phase, four-wire meter like this. Okay, three-phase, three-wire meter, we're using three-phase, three-wire meter, just like our consumer, this green flame. This is the combined set, or the CTPT unit is a three-phase, four-wire, and it's three-phase, three-wire. That's why we cannot use this. It has three-phase, four-wire nowadays are all smart metered. All right, all smart meters. So we haven't used this in our in this particular consumer, because this is actually non-smart. Three-phase, three-wire meter are non-smart. All right, so this is how we choose. So this table will tell you everything about how to choose the meter, to according to the to follow the CTPT installation. This one has to match with this. All right, so just like today we went to a particular consumer, and then we found that the combined unit is three-phase, four-wire, and we were using this three-phase, four-wire meter because we shorted the Y-phase secondary CTs. And it is possible, right? Because you are then not taking the neutral voltage, because it is not required only. All right, so this is all about how you choose between a combined set and a meter. All right, so thank you.